this will be the last time that a Labour governor will govern Abia State. I say it without missing word. The next governor of Abia State will be APC governor. Yeah, I say it without missing word. So we are friends, yes. We work together, yes. But I will not be number 6 citizen of the country and another party will govern my state. The next election of 2027, the APC governor will be there. I have told him in person, I have told him publicly and privately that APC governor will be the next governor of Abia State. How it will happen, I don't know.
Hello, my wonderful people. A lot of people have seen this video where the deputy speaker from Abia State is saying that Alex Otti is going to be the last Labour Party governor that will rule in Abia State, that he cannot be number 6 citizen in this country, and another party is ruling his state. That is not acceptable. He went on to say that he spoke to Alex Otti privately. Mark this word. He spoke with him privately, and he's saying it publicly, that he don't know how it is going to happen. First of all, I want to draw your attention to my last week broadcast. You see, sometimes if I come out to say some things, people don't take me serious because maybe I am not Channels Television or Arise News. I told you people that Alex Otti will be going to APC. I said it last week. This is 7 days ago. I said Alex Otti will be going to APC. Now, that is apart. The mission of this deputy speaker, you see, they have contracted him already. They have contracted him. Such contract carries a lot of burden and a lot of money. Don't be surprised that to capture Abia State, it will take these people to 6 billion naira. They don't care. Even though your roads are not tied, even though things are not moving fine, even though they are not paying salary, the federal government can budget 6 billion just to capture Abia State. And it is going to happen unless the people stop it. Now, this man is saying this because he has been sent by the presidency, like what they told Oshomonde of Edo State, that APC want Edo State. We don't know how it's going to happen, but give us Edo State. And they are working towards it. You see, they have changed commissioner of police, strategizing on how to rig the election. The same thing is going to happen in Abia State unless the people gather together and stop it. Now, you might say, oh, leave them. This is politics. This is not politics. Do you hear what he said? I don't know how it's going to happen. In other words, he is not confident that it is going to happen through votes. He's not confident about that. He knows that through votes, this thing is not going to happen. He knows it is not going to happen through votes. Abians are not voting for APC. They are not even voting for PDP. Most of them are not even participating in election to talk about voting for APC. For me, I know that Abians love Alex Otti, but Alex Otti should not make the worst mistake of his life. And Alex Otti should remember how people defended his vote during the election, how they wanted to rig the election. People stood for him. He leveraged on P2B's, wave and obedience. They delivered him. Anyway, I know that Alex Otti is going to respond to this in no distant time. And his response would be that I don't have any interest to join APC. Also jot this thing down. That will be the response of Otti. But before 2027, you will see how the game is going to play out. And a lot of people will be asking that upon everything APC has been doing to us, people are still trying to enter APC. People are still talking about APC. That is why time without number, I tell you people that politicians don't mean well for you. Their interest is not all about you. They don't want to help you. They don't want to build you. Everything they just want is all about next election, not all about the people. That is why I find it difficult to respect politicians. I find it very, very difficult to respect politicians. So this thing that the deputy speaker is saying, it is going to cause a lot of, media crisis, because people will now be pointing finger at Alex Otti. People will be, accusing him of even what is not in his mind. But I know that Alex Otti is joining APC. Yeah, Alex Otti, there is 100% probability that he's joining APC. And when the time comes, you will know what I'm talking about. But let this man not threaten the Abians people, because his words is just a threat. That I can't be number 6 man and my state will be ruled by another party. That as far as I'm concerned, this state is going to APC. I don't know how it's going to happen. It's a threat. I know we don't have a democracy, but if it is in the countries that have democracy, they will say that this is a threat to democracy. But now that we don't have a democracy, we can't say that this is a threat to democracy because from the beginning, we don't have the democracy. This is so pathetic. But you know what? If Abians are winning, they can stop it. Yeah, the Abians can stop it. We have Labour Party House of Rep as well in Abia State. We have Labour Party senators, right, in Abia State. And Eyinaya Baribe, I think the man is also in APC, something like that. He's also a senator. This man is also in APC, also House of Rep member. You can see that this man knows what he's talking about. It's already a mission that they asked them hijack this state to APC. But let's leave everything to Abia's people. But in a nutshell, I will tell you, we don't have a country.
Don't ever believe that a politician is a leader. Don't ever believe that. Because the system that we have produces politicians. It doesn't produce leaders. And so you can have a politician who knows nothing about leadership and he's leading you. Politicians are concerned about the next election. That's all they're interested in. That's why they cannot be leaders. But leaders are different. Leaders are concerned about the next generation. I want you to compare those two thoughts the next time you have a politician come to your house wanting to vie for your vote. Just ask him, what is your vision for my children? I will sit and listen for 20 minutes for you to tell me what it is. He will leave your house because he has no interest in your children's children. His concern is to stay in power, to keep the position, to win the next election. This is why they cannot lead. When you are going to have a conversation with a politician, you should actually try this as a test. You, by the way, as a citizen of a community, you have a right to be seen by the mayor. Hope you know that. If you voted for a mayor, the mayor works for you. Therefore, you have a right to see him. You can make an appointment to see any public officer you voted for. Did you know that? That's your legal right. If he don't want to see you, you can take him to court. That's democracy. So I want you to make an appointment to go and see your mayor or go and see your governor and just sit and say, I want 30 minutes with you, sir. And ask him about that list right there. Sir, what is your purpose for being in leadership in this city? What is your purpose? The first question will make him very nervous. Second question, what is your passion for our community? He'll be wondering what you're talking about. What are you talking about? I just want to build roads and bridges and provide jobs. No. What is your passion? And this is why we need to question the leaders we have. And so I have a little thought here. I call it politics versus leadership. Let's talk about it for a second. Number one, politicians focus on programs, not vision. Number two, politicians' priority is securing the next election, not securing the next generation. Their focus is different. Number three, politicians are preoccupied with promises, not purpose. What we need is statesmen, stateswomen. We don't need more politicians. A statesman is an interesting human. A statesman thinks of the next generation.